Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet to Revolut. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is ensure that your crypto is in a Revolut supported token like Solana or USDC. You can use Phantom's built-in swap feature or a DEX if your conversion is needed. Go ahead and open Revolut, look for the crypto section, select token, and then tap on receive to copy your wallet address. Now in Phantom, go and choose send, paste address, and enter the amount that you wish to transfer, and then just confirm your transaction. Transfers typically will be completed within minutes, though times may vary based on network congestion. Also, you're able to monitor your transactions, and now you're going to confirm your receipt in Revolut. Now, once your crypto arrives in Revolut, you can sell it for your local currency, such as USD or whatever else it is, using Revolut's exchange feature. You now transfer your fiat balance from your Revolut to your linked bank account, or you can just use your Revolut card for immediate spending.